School activities include important words like homework, test, exam, project, and presentation. These words describe what students do regularly in school to learn and grow. Homework is work given by teachers to do at home. Tests are short activities to check what students have learned recently. Exams are bigger and cover more topics to give a grade. Projects are longer tasks where students create or research something. Presentations are when students speak or show their work to the class. Homework helps students practice what they learn in class. Tests check if students understand the topics taught recently. Exams measure how much a student knows about a larger part of their lessons. Projects are longer assignments that encourage creativity and research. They can include making posters, models, or reports. Presentations involve speaking in front of classmates and using pictures or slides to explain ideas clearly. Homework is usually assigned daily or weekly to help students practice lessons. It is done at home and prepares students for tests. Tests are formal assessments taken in class to measure recent learning and are shorter than exams. Tests focus on recent lessons and are often given weekly or monthly. They last about 30 to 60 minutes. Exams cover all lessons from a term or semester, take longer to complete, and are important for final grades. Projects take weeks or months and involve research and creating something new. They can be done alone or in groups and result in physical or digital work. Presentations take less time to prepare and focus on speaking skills, using visuals to share information. Homework helps practice skills outside class, given daily or weekly. Tests check understanding of recent lessons, usually weekly or monthly. Exams are long tests at the end of a term that cover many topics and determine final grades. Homework teaches time management and responsibility. Tests improve thinking and memory. Exams build overall understanding. Projects develop research, creativity, and teamwork. Presentations enhance communication and public speaking skills. Knowing school activity words like homework, test, exam, project, and presentation helps students succeed. Practicing these words every day boosts learning and confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.